The digital gold rush of 2025 isn't happening in Silicon Valley boardrooms. It's happening on laptops in living rooms across the world. AI technology is no longer reserved for large corporations. It's now in the hands of everyday people who are turning it into serious income. And the best part? You don't need a fancy degree or thousands of dollars to get started. In today's video, I'm going to reveal 5 powerful AI tools that could help you generate up to $8,000 monthly without spending a single dollar to get started. While some are still debating whether AI will replace jobs, forward thinkers are already using it to create multiple income streams. These tools will empower you to do the same. Stay with me until the end, because I'll show you exactly how to combine these tools into a system that will help you build real wealth. This isn't just a theoretical guide. These strategies are already working for thousands of people. Welcome to WealthWise Path, your go-to channel for AI-powered income strategies. If you're new here, subscribe now, and let's get started on transforming your financial future with AI. In the digital economy, working smarter trumps working harder. These AI tools function as income multipliers, not just productivity enhancers. They help you automate repetitive tasks, generate professional content in minutes, provide 24/7 customer service, and make data-driven decisions that accelerate business growth. Imagine having access to an assistant who works round the clock, never gets tired, and can handle complex tasks in seconds. That's exactly what AI tools can offer. Consider Sarah, a freelance writer who struggled to make $2,000 a month. After integrating AI tools, she now manages content for 15 clients and earns over $9,000 monthly, working fewer hours. Or Marcus, who launched an e-commerce store using AI for customer service, product descriptions, and social media, now pulling in $12,000 per month while still working his full-time job. These aren't exceptions, they are the new normal in 2025. So let's dive into the 5 free AI tools that can help you build a sustainable income in today's digital economy. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. The world's most versatile AI assistant, ChatGPT can generate human-quality text, assist with problem solving, and provide creative ideas across countless domains. Jake, a former teacher, started using free ChatGPT to write specialized educational content for ed-tech companies. He earns $3,700 per month using AI to craft expert-level materials despite having 0 prior writing experience. ChatGPT's versatility enables you to create blog posts, articles, and social media content, generate product descriptions that convert draft compelling email marketing sequences, develop video or podcast scripts, brainstorm business ideas and marketing strategies. By offering specialized content creation services, businesses can leverage ChatGPT to create high-quality content at scale. You could offer blog packages for $300 to $500, email marketing sequences for $200 to $400, or specialized content for premium rates. Serving just 8 to 10 clients a month could generate $3,000 to $4,000. Tool number 2, Hailuo AI. Hailuo AI is a revolutionary text-to-video AI that converts simple text prompts into cinematic quality videos, complete with dynamic camera angles, perfect lighting, and realistic transitions. Elena uses Hailuo AI's free plan to create promotional videos, product demos, and social media content. She's earning $4,200 a month, all from clients who need professional-grade videos without the high production costs. Hailuo AI enables anyone to produce high-quality videos without expensive equipment or video editing skills. Its free version provides high-quality video generation from text prompts, multiple visual styles, cinematic, photorealistic, artistic, dynamic camera movements and transitions, professional lighting and scene composition. Monetize Hailuo AI through several channels, offering video production services to businesses, charging $200 to $600 per project. Creating and selling stock video footage on platforms like Shutterstock, or selling clips directly to content creators. For optimal results, focus your prompts on key elements: camera shots, subject and action scene description, lighting and mood. Specialize in a specific industry to charge premium rates and maximize earnings with the free plan. Tool number 3, Google NotebookLM. Google's NotebookLM is a research assistant that analyzes documents, summarizes content, and even converts text into audio summaries. Carlos uses NotebookLM to research niche topics, synthesize data, and create reports for small businesses. He's also repurposing content into podcasts, earning $2,800 monthly through consulting fees and podcast sponsorships. NotebookLM offers powerful research capabilities. Upload and analyze documents from various sources. Ask specific questions and generate summaries. Convert text into audio summaries for podcasts or voice content. Monetize NotebookLM by offering specialized research services for businesses or creating niche podcasts. For example, you can charge $500 to $1,000 for industry reports, or use AI to create content and monetize via sponsorships and affiliate marketing. The free version offers 100 notebooks and 50 sources, but focusing on high-value niche topics allows you to maximize earnings while staying within these limits. Tool number 4, Make.com. Make.com is a no-code platform for automating workflows, connecting over 2,000 apps and services. Elena uses Make.com's free plan for business automation consulting. She helps small businesses improve their workflows, charging clients for implementation. She's generating $2,300 monthly with minimal time investment. With Make.com, you can automate business processes like email responses and follow-ups, social media posting schedules, data entry and CRM integrations. Position yourself as an automation consultant and charge $500 to $1,500 for initial automation setup. Offer monthly maintenance fees of $100 to $300 per client. The key is demonstrating how automation saves businesses time and money, making your services an easy investment. Tool number 5, Writesonic. Writesonic is a content creation tool that specializes in SEO writing, marketing copy, and sales content. Writesonic helps you create SEO-optimized blog posts and articles, marketing copy, engaging social media content. Monetize Writesonic by offering SEO content services to businesses. Charge $200 to $400 per blog post or $1,000 to $2,000 for complete SEO strategies. With 10,000 words per month on the free plan, you can produce 2 to 4 high-quality blog posts and generate $1,500 to $3,500 monthly by specializing in high-value industries. These 5 AI tools are powerful income generators in 2025. Combine ChatGPT and Writesonic for content creation, Hailuo AI for video production, NotebookLM for research, and Make.com to automate your workflows, and you can easily scale your income to $8,000 per month or more. Starting with zero investment using the free plans, you can build a successful business without needing coding skills or a technical background. The best part? These tools allow you to compete with established businesses and create multiple income streams with minimal overhead. If you're ready to take action, subscribe to WealthWise Path for more actionable strategies on building financial freedom in the AI age. Let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.